lovely people, it's Leah. Welcome to... Excuse me, I just chugged a seltzer. Let me try that again. Welcome to part 11 of 13 Days of Halloween. We are getting so close to the end. And today we are working on my Halloween costume. I mentioned it a few vlogs ago, and I even showed a little bit of what I bought for the costume. In case you missed that, I'm being Medusa. I actually had the plan to be Medusa last year. It's the entire reason I dyed my hair green, because I thought it would be cool for Medusa. But last year, I was traveling all throughout the month of October. I spent half of that month at my parents' house after I moved out of New York City, and I spent the other half driving across the country to Las Vegas, so I really didn't get to do much for Halloween. The green hair didn't go to waste. I had it for most of the year. Don't have it anymore, so I did have to buy a wig. And yeah, I was still excited about the costume, so I figured since I didn't get to do it last year, I would do it this year. So I got all the materials that I need for it. I actually don't have much that I'm building. There's gonna be like a headpiece and then a cool makeup look, but other than that, just like accessories and stuff like that. So I'll show that to you a bit later, but first, of course, let us pull our advent calendar gift and our tarot card for the day. I'm sad that door number 9 came off. Oh well, I'll have to maybe tape it back on so it looks pretty. Well, I guess door number, whatever door that is gone too. Okay, door number 11. Ooh, spooky, fun. Wait, was Kelly wearing this the other day? Oh no, she's wearing something similar though. This is called Cookies and Scream. That's so funny because as I was looking at it, I was like, this kind of reminds me of cookies and cream, ice cream. Cookies and Scream, I love it. I think this one would look really cool with the decals that I pulled in the last video. Oh, we might have to move this box so we can put this one here. Okay, tarot card time. The 10 of Swords. This one looks sinister. Let's see what the book says. I don't like this one. Keywords: betrayal, backstabbing, release. Why have all the last like 3 cards I've gotten been like bad omens? The figure in the 10 of Swords has been stabbed in the back. If this card represents you, someone has betrayed you or attacked you out of hatred, jealousy, and revenge. Believe that you can be free from poison. I hope that didn't happen. Oh no. Scary. At the beginning of this month, we were doing so good with these tarot card pulls, and now they're getting sinister, and I'm not really loving that so much. But what can you do? Hopefully there's no betrayal in my next couple of days. Okay, I am going to just make some food really quickly, and then I'll catch y'all later to show you everything I have for the Halloween costume, and I will explain everything I need to do. All right, let me show you everything I have for the costume. So for the dress, I have 2 options. I'm not sure which one I'm going to wear yet, so that I'll show you at the end once I'm putting everything together. I have 2 green dresses. One of them is a silky dress. It's actually the one that I wore to the Terrifier premiere, so that's choice number 1. And then I have a velvet dress, which I think is the right color. It might be a little bit more like blue-green, but I like that one better. It fits me a little bit better, so if that color works, then that is the one I'm going to wear. But I have 2 options. Shoes I'm not sure about yet, but I do have some other fun accessories. So first, this necklace, which is just a big green gem held on by a snake. Then I bought a bunch of rings. I'm not sure what fingers they're all gonna go on yet, so I'm just gonna put them somewhere right now. So we've got these 2 snake rings and then these 2. Oh my gosh, come off, there you go. And then this is sort of like a garter belt, so it's gonna go around my thigh. It's a pretty gold chain with a snake on it, if I could unravel it. Okay, there we go. So you'll see it when it's on, but this is an elastic band that goes around my thigh, and then the chains sort of drape down. Oh my gosh, please get untangled. Well, you'll see it when it's on, but here is the snake, at least. That's what the snake looks like. So many fun accessories. Then I showed this in another video, but I bought all of these green gems, which I think would be cool to add to the makeup look. Oh, there's some like tiny ones in here, but I'll probably go more for the big ones. And then I bought these stencils. I pulled out 3 of them. So This is the most snake skin-esque one, but then there's also these as well. Both of these I think could work as snakes. Now for the project of this costume, the thing that I have to make. Ta-da! So this is the wig I'm going to wear since I don't have green hair anymore. And then I bought this really cool headband. And then with the headband, I bought all of these little rubber snakes. Ooh. So they're just gonna kind of go all over the headpiece. I'm gonna fill it up as much as possible with all different snakes. But first, I need to spray them gold. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go set up in the living room, very close to my patio door so that we get some good ventilation. I'm gonna put the fan on for even more ventilation, and we're gonna spray these snakes. Not 100% sure if I'm going to use all of them, but I'm going to spray all of them just because. So let's head into the living room. I did that because I thought it would be a cool cut, but now I'm like, I don't know why I did that. I'll see you in the living room. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a bit. I think it looks really good. I think the color is kind of perfect in terms of matching the headpiece. So yeah, we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna do the other side and then we'll start gluing it on. And I thought while we wait, something I kind of totally forgot that I had was this skull candle. So I got this at home, and basically as the candle starts melting, there should be like red blood that comes out the eyeballs. So I'm gonna light it and I'll do a time loop for everybody. I don't know what you're supposed to put a candle like this on because it doesn't have, you know, a container. I'm just gonna put it on the tray that I have on my couch and hopefully it's fine. To do tonight. It's pretty late right now and I want to let that properly dry. Also, I got very impatient with that candle. It was very cool, but I wanted more from it. So I think if I got it again, which I totally would buy it again because it was cool, I would want to prop it up so that like it goes out the eyes better. But yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep and then tomorrow we'll start putting the headpiece together. Hello, it's the next day. We are having a little bit of an issue this morning, which is that I forgot that my patio is being painted today. So it's hard to see from this angle, but you can see here, all of my patio furniture is in my living room now. Stuff everywhere. I was gonna set up in here and work on the headpiece. So we might have to do it a little bit later today once all this is over because it's also very loud right now. But definitely had a scare this morning. I went out onto my patio. As I was opening the patio door, a man was like climbing a ladder onto my patio. And then I remembered, oh yeah, they're painting my patio today. So he helped me. We brought everything inside. And of course there's like drop cloths all over my living room anyway because I was painting yesterday. So he was probably like, what is this girl doing? She's weird. If he said I was weird, he would be right. But anywho, we are going to put a pause on the headpiece making for a few hours and just kind of see how this goes. Hopefully I can get my patio furniture back out onto the patio today so I can set up a little shoot in here and work on that. Otherwise, we'll just do it in the office. So I'll check back later. So I have 2 snakes left, but I do not think that this thing is gonna hold up. That was a lot harder than it needed to be, but I think it looks cool. It's quite heavy, but if this thing makes it through the night without breaking, I would be quite surprised. Oh my God, it's so heavy. No, it's good. It's sick. Okay, let me put the wig on. I'll be back. Wig time, wig time. Gonna have to brush this guy out a little bit, I think. They always make bangs on wigs like way too long. Okay, that's sick. That looks really good. I'm a fan. I don't know why it doesn't feel as heavy when I'm wearing it with the wig, but I like that. Okay, so next video, which is coming out tomorrow, which will be day 12, I'm going to be doing the makeup look, but we can't end this vlog without a fun little reveal and me doing like a spooky little photo shoot with myself. So I'm just gonna do like a basic green look just to get myself excited about Halloween tomorrow. So I didn't mention it before, but I did end up going with the velvet dress over the satin one. It is like a teensy bit on the blue side, but I don't think it's terribly noticeable and I just think it fits me better. I didn't do any of the accessories yet. I'm gonna wait for that for the entire full makeup look, which you will see in tomorrow's video. So please check back for that. And thank you so much for coming along for another video. This has been day 11 of 13 Days of Halloween. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified first when a new video goes live. Comment down below, like the video, share it with your friends. This month, I am bringing you all things Halloween, and regularly on this channel, you can find cosplay, home decor, horror, and more. My name is Leah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day.